Okay, so we're going to factor out this one, the 5v squared minus 32v minus 21. To factor it out here, we're going to start with the numbers. We're going to find the two numbers down here. We have the 5 and the 21. So that's going to be 5 times negative 21. That's going to be about one negative answer of negative 105. And we add that one for 32. 32. Oh yeah, this was about, we have for the 32. Now we have the numbers now then as here as 30, I think 35 and 3. Okay, now so we have the 35 and the 3. Let's try to wait for that one. Let's try to write it again, the equation that we have now. So we have 5v squared. Now try to remember we have the 35 minus 35v plus 3v minus 21. Okay, now we have these numbers. Now let's try to regroup up here. That's going to be about 5v and a v minus 7 plus 3v minus 7. Okay, so let's go for the answer now then. That's going to be a 5v plus 3, and the other would be v minus 7. So that would be the answer for this one for the factoring then. Okay, so those are trying to remember out that one for the solution.